This is a final video to fix Diablo 4 queued for game. Start game pending error. And if your game won't launch, this video will solve it. Are you facing the problem where Diablo 4 stays stuck in the queue or shows start game pending no matter how many times you restart or relaunch the client? This usually happens because of server queue issues, corrupted game files, or network conflicts that block proper game launch. Most fixes you see on YouTube or social media are long, confusing, and full of steps that are hard to follow and often don't work. That is why Rexus is sharing a secret easy trick that instantly resolves a queued for game, start game pending error, and lets you start Diablo 4 smoothly. This simple method works fast, safely, and ensures you can play without waiting endlessly. If you want a full step-by-step tutorial showing exactly how to fix it, comment below and tell Rexus, and you can finally launch Diablo 4 without errors.